The Apple iPhone is a great smartphone, but sometimes it can encounter issues regarding calls. If your iPhone is not receiving calls, here's how to fix that. The first thing to do is that if you're using a physical SIM card, simply reinstall the SIM card. This tweak also fixes other network-related glitches on the phone and, hence, should be considered among the first possible solutions to try on. Once you've done that and are still facing issues, you can try to toggle the airplane mode. To do that, swipe down from the upper right corner and toggle on airplane mode. Wait for 5 seconds and turn off the airplane mode. Now check if your iPhone started receiving calls or not. Another thing to check is whether you're running the latest version of iOS or not. To download the latest update, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest iOS update. It's also likely that you or someone else turned on the Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. This could be why you're not able to receive any notifications and calls from others. To fix that, swipe down from the upper right corner and turn off Do Not Disturb mode. If you're facing call issues for a specific contact, there's the possibility that you might have accidentally blocked them. As such, you need to ensure that the recipient's phone number is not added to the iPhone block list to be able to receive their calls. To do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to the phone menu. Here, select Blocked Contacts. From the following menu, swipe left on the mobile number and unblock the contact. iOS also offers a handy tool to silence unknown callers on the iPhone. If you have enabled the option on the phone, then the system will automatically silence unknown numbers on the phone. You can try disabling that to see if it fixes your call issues. To do that, open the Settings app on the iPhone and navigate to Phone. Silence unknown caller, and turn off the option. Call issues can also be caused due to faulty network settings. As such, you can simply reset the network settings on your iPhone to fix it. Do note that resetting network settings delete all your current network configurations and then restores the default network values. To proceed, open the Settings app on the iPhone and navigate to General, Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode for authentication and you're good to go. Your iPhone will reboot automatically when the reset is finished. Lastly, if all else fails, it might be time to completely reset all settings on your iPhone. It will erase all your customized settings. However, it will not remove any of your images or data, so don't worry about that. To reset the settings, open the Settings app on the iPhone and go to General, Reset All Settings. Confirm your action by adding your passcode, and iOS will reset all settings on the iPhone. Hopefully, you are now able to successfully make and receive calls on your iPhone. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.